Someone told me by the way.
Yeah.
Ukitaka FC wa drop points watoe Nyayo. And now I think there are 3 games that we can say. Yeah. One, ile game walipigwa na Mara Sugar kule Awendo Green Stadium walipigwa 2-1. Matope kulikuwa na matope. Yeah, we understand the turf was not ile wamezoea.
Not the best.
Wakapelekwa Mbaraki against Bandari.
Yes,
wakatoka sare 0-0. Jana walipelekwa Kasarani. Na KCB. And I'm 100% sure hiyo game ingechezwa. Let's say KCB wangesema watumie Nyayo as their home, AFC might have won. They just vile tunasemanga kwa issue that there's just something to do with superstition with football.
Yeah. So it depends. I don't know. Iya Shabana they are playing at Nyayo
because wao ndio kumtaa.
Ndio wako home, so they will play at Nyayo.
Yeah.
So now they need to make sure they get now the 3 points.
Yes, in fact I told some Shabana fans, me I'm worried for them because now that AFC wanacheza Nyayo, they are forte.
Lakini na hii mvua pia. Hey. Alafu we talked about drainage. So we had that conversation.
Yes.
So it's not very straightforward.